Farmers across our state grow lots of corn. It's an important crop made into food for humans, feed for animals, and fuel. Today I'll show you how corn is harvested. In the summer, corn is tall with big green leaves. Every stalk produces an ear that's wrapped tight with green husks. When the corn matures, the leaves and husks dry up. The kernels turn a golden yellow. Most corn is harvested by a combine, a very large machine that's fun to drive. Here's how it works. This is the Case IH combine. It has a big diesel engine with a lot of power. The engine is on top of the machine behind the grain tank. When it's harvesting, the combine moves across the field following the corn rows. Stalks are pulled through fast-moving rollers. Ears are removed and go into the machine. Inside the combine, a large rotor shells the kernels off the cobs. The kernels are lifted to a grain tank on top of the machine. The broken cobs and trash go out the back of the machine. The operator today is Don, and he rides inside the cab. It's clean and warm, no dust in here. From the driver's seat, Don guides the machine across the field. He has a lot to watch to make sure everything is working. He uses a joystick to control how fast the combine travels. He shifts gears by pushing a button with his thumb. Gauges and screens let him know that the machine is working properly. This screen shows a map of the field he's on. The computer receives a GPS signal from satellites and draws the map. The computer also records how much grain is harvested, how much it weighs, and the moisture of the kernels. Farm equipment that uses GPS is very high-tech. It's an important part of keeping good records. When the combine tank is full, it can be emptied at the end of the field or on the go. The grain cart and combine operators have to watch closely. They can also talk on two-way radios. When the grain cart is full, it dumps into a large truck. Then the truck drives to the farm site and dumps in a pit. Corn goes into a dryer before it can be stored in large bins. Corn is a big crop in Minnesota, and harvesting is a job that farmers look forward to every year. I hope you enjoyed my corn story. That's all for now.